Om Shri Sai Nathaya Namaha. Welcome all to our YouTube channel Gaming Cyclone, that is at the rate Gaming Cyclone. Recently we have started series on the tech session. So you can find out the tech session playlist in which we have uploaded three tech sessions, three videos of the tech session. One is regarding OBS screen recording tool. Second is basic setup, how we can do the basic setup of the Python on our machine. Then basic setup of the PyCharm IDE, which is used for the Python programming language. And we have done some couple of very simple programming, Python programming by using Python as well as by using PyCharm. So today we are going to see basic Python commands used. Today we are going to see the basic Python commands. So let's start. Open the command prompt from the Windows Run. Type cmd. It will open the command prompt. Yeah. Now, very basic thing, we need to first check whether we have Python installed on our machine or not. If Python is not installed on your machine, you can refer our earlier video, Python basic setup. The link is available in the description. So to verify the Python is available on our machine or not, the command is python space hyphen hyphen version. So it will gives us the Python version. So we have recently installed latest version of the Python. So another basic command is a verify of the pip. Pip is a Python library package manager for the Python. So let's check pip is available or not. Pip space hyphen hyphen version. So by using pip we can install and or uninstall different packages which we required for while our programming, Python programming. So pip is also available. Pip 24.0 version is available on our machine. So let's uh, move to the notepad plus plus where I have written some basic commands which we are going to see today. So let's take first example, pip install package name. Package name is a uh, you can mention any package name which you required. It's a placeholder. So let's install pip install behave package name. So behave is a package or library generally used for the Python programming, generally used for the Cucumber or Gherkin type of Python programming. BDD, behavior driven programming. So let's install how to install behave. So pip, it's a command pip space install space behave. So it will start installing the behave. So pip command, that is Python library manager, it's take care all of the thing to install different packages. So we can see the behave is installed on our machine. So to check whether the behave is correctly installed or not, what is the version of behave? Check the version of behave space hyphen hyphen version. So it shows behave 1.2.6 is installed. Suppose we don't require this package, behave package, we want to uninstall it. So we can uninstall the behave package or respective package by using the pip command. Pip uninstall and package name. So it will take care uninstalling of the package name. So before uninstalling, it will ask, do you really want to uninstall it or not? That is confirmation. Yes, I want to uninstall it. So behave is successfully uninstalled. So let's move to the second. We have seen install, uninstall the package name. Let's see print command. We are in the last session we are already seen the print command. So let's see once again. So now we are going to see different Python commands generally used. So for that we require the Python command prompt. So to enter into the Python command prompt, we need to use command Python and enter. So it will enter into the Python command prompt mode. Now you can use print command and whatever you want to use. Today we are learning Python basic commands. Enter. So it will print whatever the value or text or string given into the double quote. Print open bracket, double quote, open double quote, string, double quote complete, bracket complete, and enter. So this is a simple print command. Let's see second command, type. Okay, what the type command is does, suppose we have a variable x and we have stored integer 2 into the variable x, right? And we want to verify, or we want to know what is the type of the variable in x. Sorry guys. So for that purpose, the type command is used. Type in bracket provide the variable name. It will provide the type of object. So it's a integer, class integer. You can also assign x is equal to some string, for example text. So I am assigning now x is equal to text, and now I am verifying the type of x. So it shows class str, that is string. So the type command is used for to verify what is the type of the variable. Then move to the next command, range command. Okay, so range command, it will gives the range. For example, I am mentioning range of 10. It will use range from 0 to 10. It will use while if we want to loop, use loop iteration, iterator. So in that case, it will use this range command. So range command having three options: start, stop, and step. Start and step are the optional values. Stop is a mandatory value. Moving to the next command, round command. Okay, so what does round command? Print round given one number. Okay, close and enter. See, so round command is rounding the number, provided number. Now I have provided the decimal number, float number, and it's rounded to the one integer number. If we want round to up to two digits, we want round the number up to two digits, that is after decimal point we require two digits. So provide how many number of digits you want to round the number and enter. It will gives a 3.15. If we want up to four digits, it will round 1456. So this is a basic round command. Then next, input command. Sometime we required information from the user. So for that purpose, we can use the input command. For example, here I am using input bracket what is our YouTube channel name colon space bracket complete, and I am asking the user. So if I enter it, it's asked to the user, to me, what is our YouTube channel name, and I want to enter as an end user, I want to enter the value, that is at the rate gamingcyclone is our YouTube channel name. If I enter it, this value of the gamingcyclone gets stored in a my channel name. So enter. Okay. Now print, it's really stored in a my YT channel name or not. Let's check. So see, it's stored. The input taken from the command prompt from the end user, it's stored in a variable, and we can print that variable. So input is used for taken the input from the end user or user from the UI. So move to the next command, length command. What is length command used for? Length of, let's provide the variable name in which we have stored our YouTube channel name, and we are finding the length of that string at the rate gaming cyclone. So it's total 14 characters available in this variable, that is value at the rate gamingcyclone. It's a 14 characters. It's provided us the length of the string variable, value available in the string. So moving to the next, okay, let's check the length of the list. So we need to define list. I have defined my list is equal to open bracket 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma suppose 4, 3 comma 4. I have created, sorry, I am creating the list. So I have created my list which having these values 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I want the length of the my list. It will, what it will return? It will return total number of items available in the list. That is total number of items, that is 1 2 3 4. We have 4 items available in the list. Length of variable name, what it gives? The total number of characters available in the value. And if we provided list as an object for the length function, it will gives us total number of items available in the list. That is 4 items are there, right? Let's see another tuple. So create one tuple. I am creating tuple for the string ABC PQR. We have created, sorry, wrong, syntax is wrong. Let's create once again. Yeah, my tuple is equal to ABC in double quote ABC comma PQR. Now the tuple is created and we want to see the length of the tuple. My tuple, it will give 2 because we have stored 2 values in the tuple. So length function for the string or character text, it gives us total number of characters available in the string. For the for the list or tuple, it provides total number of items available in the list or tuple. Now let's see next what is, okay, if and else. We generally use the verify the condition. If some condition is true, then do this. If it is false, then do this. So let's consider store the value x is equal to 2, y is equal to 5. Now we have stored two values. Now we want to check some condition whether x is less than y or not. If x is less than y, then print x is less than y, else print x is not less than y. Let's see, we have provided 2 and 5 and we will write command if in bracket open bracket x is less than y bracket complete give colon single colon, that is the format, then give proper indentation. The line next to the if, it should be the proper indented line. Print x is less than y bracket complete, else started at the same indentation point else colon, and in the next lines with the same indentation write our the code available in the else and then enter. It ideally it should give the answer x is less than y. Yeah, x is less than y. Now change the value, x is equal to 5, y is equal to 2, and then again print the value x is not less than y. So it's checking the value, the else condition. Now move to the next command. In the if and else there are multiple variation. We also have else if else if and then else. You can explore on that, guys. Then we are going to check the concatenation function. Suppose we have string1 hello. We have stored str1 is equal to hello. We have stored string2 is equal to word, and now we want to concatenate string1 str1 and 2 by using the plus symbol. It will give us hello world, right? But we want a space, so we can use string1 plus, give some one single space, and then plus, and then string2, and then enter. It's showing hello space world, the concatenate function. Then moving to the next function, string function, capitalize. Okay. Suppose, no, before capitalize, we missed one function. Yeah. Is is al num, that is alphanumeric. This is the function. Let's see what it does. We have string1 stored as a hello, and we use this function str1 dot is alnm. It's what it returns. It's return whether the string value available in this variable str1 is a alphanumeric value or not. So right now we have hello, so it's a alphanumeric value. Ideally it should give a yes, it is alphanumeric, true. Yeah. So let's see, check with the second value str2. We have the str2 as a word. It is also alphanumeric value, so it should return true. Yes. Let's create another string str3 is equal to hello world exclamatory sign, and store it into the string 3. Now if we are using this function for the string 3 str3 hello world having exclamatory sign, str3 dot is alnm, that is alphanumeric. If we enter, so it will gives us false because it is not alphanumeric. Why? Because it's have exclamatory sign. We can also use another other than exclamatory other special character and check whether the alphanumeric is, yeah, it is giving the false. So it alphanumeric, that is dot is alnum, it only returns true when the string or object having the alphanumeric value. If it is not, it is other than alphanumeric value, it's return false. So alphanumeric is alphanumeric, we have covered. Let's see capitalize function, what capitalize does. So we have stored hello world in str1. Okay, let's create another string having all the letters small in a small character. We have created str5 is equal to all the letters hello in a small, and now we are going to use the capitalize function on the string 5. What it does, it returns the value, that is hello, with the capital letter, but whether all the letters converted to capital, no, it will convert only first letter of first word capital. Right now we have only one word hello, so it's converting the first letter, that is H, from hello word capital. What happens if we have the two words? For example, hello world, hello space world, we have two words in str5, and if we use the capitalize function, then also it returns the whole string hello word, but it will only convert first letter from the first word, convert it to the capital. See, hello world, h is a small from the hello. So capitalize function is used to convert the first letter of the string or the sentence to the capital character case. Moving to the next find function. Suppose we have string 6, str6. I am storing value we are learning Python command full stop space. Are you with me? So I am storing this string into the str6 string variable. Now if we want to find how many number of are how many number of are words available in the string, then how we can find it? We can find it by using the find function. That is, we are applying the dot find function on the string 6 and we are passing the word which you want to find out how many times it is available. Now I am storing what it returns. It gives us the index, that word or we are going to search into this sentence. We are learning Python commands full stop. Are you with me? So it will gives us the index where the R is find out first into this sentence. So we are storing the return index into the index variable. Index is equal to str6 dot find and we are passing the into double quote R. So let's print the index and see what the value it returns. See, it's returned 3. That is WE123. It start 0123. It start from the third index. R is starting from the first R word. First word R, where it is started from the index 3. So find command is used to find out specific word or characters from the given string. We can use the dot find command on the respective string. So moving to the next, count. Okay, what does function gives us? Let's see. We are using the count function on the string 6. String 6 is a we are learning Python commands full stop. Are you with me? Now, if we want how many times the word are, A-R-E, are available in the sentence, we want that number. So for that purpose, for in this case, for this scenario, we can use the dot count function and by passing the word which we want to find it and count it from the given sentence. We are finding the R word. Let's see, and whatever the number of counts available here, it's getting stored in a count. Let's print the count. Now here I specifically mention two words are in the sentence. One is a ARE small and another is a capital ARE. The word ARE start with the capital A. So whenever we are passing or we are searching or we want to count of small ARE. So it will count, it will match exact word and it will return that. So in our case we have two ARE, one is a small and another is a capital, so it will return only one ARE. Let's change our sentence. String 6 is equal to, we are going to change the R. Now we have ARE two times in the sentence. Let's enter. And now again print, apply the count function and now again print the count. Now it will return 2 because now it's matching ARE, small ARE available in the sentence and it will, we have the 2 R's, so it will returns 2. So it's matching exact with the character case. Okay, so let's move to the next command, uppercase. Okay, what is the uppercase? So if we want to change the, if we want to change the character case of the string, right now. So right now we are learning Python commands. Are you with me? Here W is a capital and we want whole string, all the characters available in the sentence in the uppercase character. So we can use the function dot upper. So str6 is a string variable where the sentence is available. Now we are applying dot upper and we are storing the converted sentence in the upper underscore text variable. And let's print it. Now see, now whole sentence is gets converted into the capital character case and it's stored in a new variable upper text. So let's move. So uppercase, similarly uppercase, we can have the lowercase. Let's print what is the original value available in the str6. str6, enter. So it still have the original value. What is the value in the upper text? It's have converted upper text value. Now use the command upper text. Okay, now we have the all the characters capital letter in a upper text function and we are converting that into the lowercase character by using dot lower function. So and we are storing the converted value in a lower text. Now print the lower text variable. Now all the values which are in capital are get converted into the small case character, small character case. So this is the functionality of the dot upper and dot lower function. Now move to the next append. So the scenario is if we want to append something in the list. So I have printed the my list first. Why? Because earlier we have created in the our example, the list. So I am reusing that my list variable that is 1, 2, 3, 4. We have available 4 integers in this my list. Now we want to append the new integer by using the append function. That is, my list is a list object dot append, and which number you want to add? We want to add 4. So it will append the 4 at the end. Let's print again my list. So earlier we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. So we have added number 4, integer 4 at the end. We have appended at the end, right? So this append function, what it does, it's appended the provided value into the list at the end. Next, let's see next copy. Okay. So we know now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. That is 5 integers available in the my list. And if we want to copy that my list whole my list value into the new list, so we can use the dot copy command and we can store this list into the new variable, new list variable. I have created a new copy is equal to, I am using my list, that is this one having 1, 2, 3, 4 and 4, and I am applying the copy command or copy function on the my list and I am pressing enter. Now let's see what is available in the new copy, whether it is copied or not. So it is copied. So let's see what is available in the my list also. So in my list also they same 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. These are the original my list and we have created new list, new copy by using the my list by using the dot copy function. Then move to the next insert. Okay. What insert does? We have the list 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 and we want to insert. Just we have seen the append function. What does append does? Appended the value at the end. But what if we want to insert the value in between or at the start, in between the list or at the end? So we can use the command or the function insert. So I am creating new list, that is list 1 is equal to 10, 20, 30. The list 1 is gets created. Now I am inserting the new value in the list, and let's print it, list 1. See, so insert function having two parameters. First parameter is at what position you want to insert, and the second parameter is which value you want to insert. So let's, earlier we have original 10, 20, 30, that is 0, 1, 2, sorry, 1, 2, 3. So we want to insert at the second position, right, and we want to insert 3. So it will, we want to insert at the second index. So 0, 1, 2. So at the second index it is adding the 3. So list it started from the 0, 0, 1, 2, total 3 items, but it started from the 0, list of 0, list of 1 and list of 2, and we are provided we want to add at the second index. And which value we want to add? We want to add integer 3. So it's added at the second index, 0, 1 and 2. So 3, integer 3 is added at the second index. So that is insert command. If we want to add at the beginning, we can add insert as a 0, and we want to insert 1, suppose. Let's insert, let's print it. So the 1, integer 1 is added at the 0 position, that is at the index 0. So next, let's print, let's move to the next command. What is the next command? So pop is a next command. So what does pop? So like we are inserting the new integer value at the given position or given index. Similarly, if we want to remove value from the list, so for that purpose we can use the pop command. So now we are using list1 dot pop, and I have provided the 0, that is position. I want to remove the integer from the 0 position. Let's enter. It returns what it remove integer 1, integer 1 available at the 0 position. And let's print it and see the remaining value. So original my list having list 1 having 1, 10, 20, 3, 30. We have used dot pop and provided the 0 position index. So we want to remove the integer 1 from available in the 0. And if we print the list 1 now, so it's remove the integer 1 available at the 0 position, and it's return remaining values 10, 20, 3, 30. Then next move to the reverse. What does reverse? As a, it's a self-explanatory. We have the value 10, 23, 30, and we are going to use dot reverse function. The scenario is we want the reverse the list, all the values available in the list, we want the reverse values, right? Currently it is available 10, 23, 30, and we want 33, 20 and 10. So in that case we need to use dot reverse function on the list. Let's print the list. So it's reversed it 33, 20, 10, right? So reverse function is used to reverse the values available in the list. Now sort function. What sort does? So sort does sorting. It's provide, or it's sorted the number in a specific provided given sorting order. Now we have two orders sorting order. One is ascending sorting order and another is a descending sorting order. Right now we are only providing sort function. We are using the sort function on the list 1, and By default, if no option is given, whether it is a ascending descending, so by default it's considered as a ascending. Let's see, print the list one again, enter. It's order in a ascending order. So originally we have values 30, 3, 20, 10. Now it's arranged in a sorting order as a ascending sorting order, 3, 10, 20, 30. What if we want to reverse, what if we want the sorting order in a descending order? So we need to we need to use same sort function, but in the open and close bracket we need to pass reverse is equal to true. That is, we want in a descending order, that is reverse is equal to true. What it gives error, something is wrong. True is not defined, did you mean true? Okay, so I have provided true in a small letter and it is not recognize it. So we need to provide true in a capital, start with the capital T, TRUE. Let's print it again. What is this list? So now we have, earlier we have sorted in ascending order 3, 10, 20, 30. Now we are using reverse is equal to true. It's a 30, 20, 10 and 3. So the list is order in a descending order, descending manner. Okay, so I think we have covered all the functions, all the basic functions generally utilized. There are so many functions, so many commands or so many functions available in the Python, but we are covered mainly, we use regular on the regular basis all the common commands, Python commands. I hope you guys like this session, today's session. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Provide your feedback in the comment box. Thank you all, guys.